some big breaking news which is coming in. The latest coming in the Anti-Sanatan Remark case against Chief Minister Stalin. Well, there's also relief coming in for the Chief Minister. The Supreme Court, which had been moved by the Chief Minister after there was yet another FIR which was filed against him. Now the Supreme Court has stepped in and said there cannot be more FIRs against the Chief Minister. This after he allegedly made disparaging remarks against Hinduism and Sanatan Dharma. In fact, the Supreme Court has now given the Chief Minister protection from arrest, which will also now be extended and continue. Remember, there was an FIR which has been lodged in Uttar Pradesh, in Maharashtra, in Karnataka, Bihar, as well as Jammu and Kashmir. In fact, we are going to go across to our legal editor, Harish Nair, who's joining us. Harish, tell us what has happened in the Supreme Court, because it appears that the court has not really gone into the merits of the case as to what statement, whether it should have been made or not. But as per procedure, procedurally, no more FIRs can be filed against the Chief Minister, because there was already a stall which had been put. But despite that, there were more fresh FIRs which were being filed, isn't it?
Yes, that's right, Meghna. Big relief coming in for the Tamil Nadu Deputy Chief Minister Udhayanidhi Stalin, as the Supreme Court has said that no more FIRs relating to his controversial comments on Sanatan Dharma can be filed without the permission of the court. Remember, Advocate Abhishek Singhvi for Stalin had rushed to the Supreme Court saying that more FIRs were being filed, despite the Supreme Court direction, and a new FIR was filed in Patna. At this juncture, the Supreme Court said that no more FIRs can be filed and he will continue to be protected from arrest. And what is very notable is that Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, appearing for Maharashtra government, vehemently opposed any kind of relief for Stalin, saying that very significant remarks made, Meghna. The Solicitor General said the derogatory comments were made against the Sanatan Dharma, calling it, saying that it should not only be opposed, but it should be eradicated, like diseases like dengue, malaria, and also corona. And the SG went on to say, kindly appreciate if the Chief Minister or any other state would have said a particular religion should be eradicated, heavens would have fallen. A particular community cannot be made to suffer all the time for being tolerant.
Right.
So SG goes on to say that Hindu religion should not be made to suffer just because they are tolerant, and also said that just because of the Hindu community doesn't react, should such words be condoned. But the Chief Justice went on to...
We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on that. But this is big relief which is coming in from Stalin Jr., as Harish Nair, our legal editor, tells us. This is going to be one of the stories we are tracking for you here closely on Times Now. With that, a short break. Stay tuned.